This is not a life hack. This is a real little science experiment. Run your fingers over a mold of peeled garlic. You can easily lift the yolk. The shower is easy to clog up after a long time. Put the beer bag over the shower. Secure with a rubber band. Let sit for an hour. The shower is smooth again. You can't stick a potato through with a straw. Just pinch the top of the straw with your hand. I can't believe the potatoes are pierced. Do you know why? Cover the endless beer with a thin paper towel. Even if you turn the bottle upside down, the beer doesn't spill. Put a used mask on the end of the hairdryer and half-empty bottle. Turn on the hairdryer. It's a simple vacuum cleaner. The Coke tab broke accidentally. Just fold a piece of A4 paper in half 4 times. Rub the Coke back and forth. The Coke opened itself. Throw Grandpa's rusty wrench into the endless beer. Soak overnight and remove. The wrench is as good as new. Poke a small hole in the lid of a detergent bottle. Poke a hole in the position of the handle. A flower watering artifact that can control the size of the water is ready.